right, I'm gonna put a little bevel on these. All right, everybody, I got them beveled down, got it held on with a magnet. Little gap in there so it'll fill in. Hopefully I can get good penetration on this weld. Like I say, I am no welder, but I'm gonna give it a shot. Okay, I'm trying to get there. Daddy always said, if you can't weld, take up grinding. One side down. Well, people, this is why you become a grinder. Them some bad welds, but I'll make them look pretty here in just a minute. Well, that's about the best it's gonna get. I'm not gonna be able to get it much better than that. Daddy always said, if you wasn't gonna learn how to weld, learn how to grind. I know he's looking down on me today, smiling at how proficient I have become with a grinder. All right, first part down. All right, everybody, let's get this saddle put on. I'm gonna need a deeper socket. Yep, that's what the implement's right on right there. I'm gonna have to find a deep well. I found this 1-inch drive box in wrench. That'll have to work for right now. All right, I don't think it's going nowhere. Okay, everybody, this is the engine that's going on my David Bradley. It's 3 horsepower. I've got to do a little converting. I've got to take this, I'm gonna leave this choke linkage on. So that way I'll have it like that. And then I'll be able to hook my throttle up right here and hook it right down into here where it goes. And it'll pull back like that. That's where it hooks in, and it'll hold it right here. I'm gonna take this muffler off because if I don't, it's gonna be blowing straight into the hood. So I will take a 3/4 piece of pipe and come out with a 90 and come down. That way it'll turn around the front. But this carburetor, this does run on starter fluid, so I'm gonna pull all this off tomorrow. I got new rubber pieces for this breather tube on both ends. I've already got the carburetor rebuild kit. I keep those. I'm gonna put this carburetor in the ultrasonic cleaner, get it cleaned. The gas tank's pretty clean. I know it's a small gas tank. I'll just carry a gas bottle, a gas jug with me. But this motor runs good, it runs strong. So this will be happening in the next video. All right, everybody, I apologize I didn't do an intro on this video, but I just come out here and got going, and I do apologize. Like I say, not the best welds, but they will hold. The saddle's on, and tomorrow the engine will be running and installed, and hopefully we will get to watch this little garden tractor run under its own power. All right. Well, listen, I appreciate all y'all, and y'all have a good evening, and aim high. Bye-bye.